Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue driving north on US Highway 11, beginning at mile 211 in the town of Canton, St. Lawrence County, New York. We enter the village of Canton with a population of 7,155 as of the 2020 census. We get a local name of Governor Street for Highway 11 here. The Wikipedia page for the village claims that the name comes from the name of the district of Canton in Cardiff, Wales. This is contradictory to the article about the town of Canton, which claims to be named for the Great Port of Canton in China. This is part of the reason that facts found on Wikipedia are not necessarily factual. The first attempt to settle the area was in 1800, but the first permanent settlement was established in 1801. The first post office used the name New Cairo, but by 1807 it had changed to Canton. The early economy relied on farming and lumbering. The village was incorporated in 1845. St. Lawrence University was founded in 1856. Between 1887 and 1889, the village was modernized with a sewage system, waterworks, and electrical lighting. The State University of New York at Canton, located northwest of the village, was started in 1906. Canton is the county seat of St. Lawrence County. Now we've turned onto Main Street and we've picked up a concurrency with State Route 68 East. This will take us through the village's downtown area and then into a residential area. We enter the town of Potsdam, named for Potsdam, Germany. The town had a population of 14,901 as of the 2020 census. We conclude today's video at mile 220. Thanks for watching. We've enabled channel memberships, so for as little as $1 a month, you too can help support our channel and get early access to our regular videos, as well as the occasional members-only video. Click the link in the description to join. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.